Is it? We at the top.
No turning back.
Oh no. And we're in the lovely island of Haiti. Check it out.
It's already like 95 degrees.
Scorching here.
8 o'clock in the morning.
It's hot. I don't see how they handle it. Oh, caliente.
On a crazy zip line all the way up there.
I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but at the very peak top of that mountain, that's where it begins. And we're gonna float all the way across to right there. Do you think I can handle it? Yeah, I'm a big girl. I can do it.
I think she got it.
Oh no, I should have did it the other way. Why did I sign up for this? Oh Lord, why did I sign up for this? Okay.
Please see your landing position.
The landing, I forgot what it was. Oh, there you go, right there. Jesus, I'm doing it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I did it. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, have mercy, Jesus. Oh. Oh. I did it good time, baby. Oh my God, I can't believe I just did the zip line.
Yo, we just did the world's longest zip line over water.
Hey, people.
We made it down the zip line,
I'm back
guys.
on land.
This girl right here.
I'm back on land, though. It's all that matters.
This girl right here. I thought you were gonna bail on me. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm back on land. When I got up to the top, I was so nervous, you guys. I was like frozen a little bit, like the movie. I was frozen a little bit.
She was done. I didn't think she was gonna do it.
The man told me that they laid me back, and that was that. And here I am. I made it back.
We all the way
all in
down.
one piece.
We all the way
Oh
down.
my God! So if you ever come to Labadee, try the zip line. It was pretty cool.
It was cool.
It was a cool, smooth ride. Thanks, babe. I really got something off the bucket list that wasn't never on it.
So was it a positive vibe or was it?
It was a positive vibe and it was a good time.
Yeah.